Alright then, so this is when part two, how Jamaica start getting mashed up, you know? Yeah, so when Jamaica start mash up the full way is when, remember, majority, Jamaica is a tourism country, run off a tourist basically, see? And remember, you used to have a lot of free beaches and, a lot of little hustling used to go on. The guys them we make like the bamboo guitar, them the carve man, them we carve the all different little something where them can find bamboo and make, You see me and go hustle. You understand? And then tourists used to flood the beach and stuff like that. You understand? Um, things was just different. Whole heap of like a hustling you see there at Jamaica, man, and the youth them used to get fee buy like a sea bike and hustle and make a little money. Them buy the mule them and jackass and thing. You see me? They buy them thing there and them can hustle. To horseback riding can make a money. You see me? They have down on the beach side, them have the craft market, them are the man them carve. Man used to come in from out of the water and come on. Do something they come sell all the fish them to who cook on the beach. All the cooking was going on the beach front them down there. And carving. People are build make bead and sell to the tourists them. You see me? Then everywhere the people them go and start do them like hustling now, so the government take it. Sell it out to private sector. So now the people them have no if you go them can't hustle cause private sector buy the land them now and then them just fence off the whole place. The man them we used to do it wicked in the dog. The man them we used to do like a Juta tour and stuff like that. Them can't do it no more because the private sector man them come in and them come in and them buy them big old bus. So them a come straight from the airport to pick up. You understand? So look a small man them get pushed out again. Nah make no money. And I remember say the little island thing. Zine. Government them mash up the place, Virgin. And then when the youth them see them parents that make them look hustle there and nothing now go on. You see me I say if market used to clean one time and good. Blessed to the people them with the build Jamaica them couple market there. Well, we don't love them if you pass through and build back them so nice market again. Listen to me. Market them dirty. They don't maintain the market them. They just dirty. They don't move the dump them. You see me, the place them mash up. So people don't have to move out on the floor, up on the road. You see me, I say, and then them start take the things, take the people them things. You see me, not there. You see me, so the youth them see a different way, cause they can't go hustle. Police are gonna run them. Cause police around mommy already and daddy off of the street for hustle. You see me, I remember so no thief them and thief and hustle and them a get mashed up and beat up and all type of foolishness. You understand me? Yeah. Crazy. So the place start get mashed up, man. You know. But I hope it come back. Hope it come back. Hope Jamaica come back. You see me? I hope some parents start be some real parents. I'm not the best of parents either, but certain things that I see I go on, Bridget. Terrible. Hope and pray. Blessed one, guys. Yeah, man.